Hello friends, this is Subhranshu Panda. After a long time here I am back with an interesting video for you guys. Trust me friends, you will enjoy every moment of this video. So without any delay, let's start today's session. As you all know, today 70 to 80% of all our business are done with mobile applications. So mobile applications are necessary in today's world. Couple of days before I had also got one requirement that we need your Salesforce Community Cloud should be an Android app or an iOS app. So after some R&D, I thought if we can somehow change our Community Cloud website type to mobile and mobile view, then it might be possible. And guess what guys? This is possible. Yes, you heard it right. And we will do this in today's session. But remember, your Salesforce Community Cloud website should be responsive so that it can be work with your mobile devices in efficient way also. I had already created this um, Salesforce Community Cloud website with my developer account and it is responsive. I'll just show you this, and all my navigations are there and it is working fine with this. So you should also take care about this. Before we start our session, we require some mandatory installation like Node.js, npm, Ionic CLI with capacitor or Cordova, then your Android Studio. Android Studio here is the important for this session. Uh, so I am recommending you to the first install these packages and software. Then after you can watch this video. If you are already installed these packages and software, then you can directly start with the first step. This setup and packages link you can find from below of this video from the description section. You can go to their official website. Here you can find it all the steps for installation process. This is Ionic Framework official website. Then your Node.js, okay, then your npm packages. Here is your Android Studio official website for all the installation process for Mac and Windows. And last but not the least, here is the capacitor. Okay, if you are thinking I am not aware about this Ionic framework and these packages etc., then don't worry guys, we did not require any deep knowledge of these packages and software, but yes, you should know the basic concept of like how Ionic framework work and all. Excited friends? Yes, me too. So let's first create the blank folder where you want to create your Ionic project. I am already created, and then open your that folder within your favorite code editor. I am using Visual Studio Code here, so I am already open with it. Okay, so first run the command, which is the basic command for Ionic framework to start. First Ionic start. First command is Ionic start. This will create your first initialized project. Okay, it is asking you the framework. I am choosing the Angular here. Then give your project name here. I am giving project name is Panda Coffee. Then choose your template here. I am choosing the blank as of now. Okay, then if it is recommended you to install the capacitor, then install the same. I am also installing this. It will take some time. I'll just write back once it is finished. Okay, so my project is ready now with all the required files and packages. So let's first install the main concept here, the in-app browser. So go to the official website here. Then first install this Ionic Cordova plugin. Run this in your phone. Okay, then go to this folder, then add your command here. It will just add your plugin in a browser here. Okay, so in a browser here is the main concept of the session. What it does, it will simply open your website into an Android inbuilt browser or open with your an external browser. Okay, so it is installing the main packages, Android icons and all. I'll just write back once it's finished. Okay, it is installed. Now add the second command here, which is npm install Ionic native. Run this command here. Okay, it is installing. Okay, all done. Packages are installed. All the in-app browser are already installed in this. So let's start with our coding part. First, open your app module.ts. Here is your app module.ts. Then just replace this code by your app module.ts is what here. Okay, app module. Okay, here is my. I'll just replace this code. Then open your app component.ts. App component.ts. Copy and replace this. Just save this file and just save as it is. Then open your homepage.ts. Don't worry guys, I'll just explain you once it is finished. Homepage.ts. Okay, main part is the here. What it does, once it is loaded, the platform event load your Salesforce Community Cloud website into a blank or in inbuilt browser with the using of in-app browser plugin. Okay, we have added here app component.ts like this and app module.ts. Okay, then just replace your HTML part also here, homepage.html, replace with this. Okay, and run the command. Okay, it's running. Let's check whether it is working properly or not with the browser. If it is working properly, then we will proceed with your Android book. But first let's test this. It is running. Okay, it's worked properly. Now it is opening my. Okay guys, it is working properly and it is open my website here, as you can see here. Okay, now it's time to develop our Android app. First, quite this process here. Okay, then run the ionic capacitor, run Android. Okay, it will take some time. It gives me the error. If you do, then just run this command ng-build. What it does, it will build your components and capacitor with one framework. Now okay, it's run work properly with some warning, but we will ignore this right now. Now run our command, which is ionic capacitor run Android. Here I am giving you the example with Android. If you want to run within your iOS, then just change this command within your iOS instead of Android. But wait, what will happen now? I'll explain you, don't worry guys. This command actually copy your old folder with required files for your Android device and copy into an Android folder and just open with your Android Studio. Sounds good, right? It also copy your Android folder and open your Android Studio with all the required files. So let's run this command. It will take some time for initial process, but don't worry, subsequent run will be faster compared to the first one. I'll be just right back once it is finished with my mobile device with the actual app. Okay guys, it is work, but it's give me an error for version error. If you do so, then just change this version here, build.gradle. You can find this in Android folder, sorry. Then just change this 3.2, which is stable version, and just save it and close this Android project and rerun the same command. I hope so it will work. Let's check this with few seconds. Okay guys, it is working fine now. Now run this with our actual device, or you can run with your emulator. I am running with my mobile device. It is choosing your deployment target, initializing your devices right now. Okay, it's giving me an error. Let's run this again. It will show your mobile device here, or you can run with your emulator, as I said already. Okay, again it's give me an error. Okay, now it is showing, so just choose the device and click on OK. It will build your app and install it in your device. It will take some time. I'll just show you with my actual mobile device with an Ionic app. Okay friends, as you can see here, it will run properly in my mobile device also. All the navigations are working properly. Customer, yes, it is working fine. Now my opening my record, it is already working. Now go to the home page again. Yes, it is worked. You'll find this complete code from my GitHub link, which is mentioned right below of my video. But I don't clone. Don't clone this project. It will not run for initial process of Ionic project as it is already built it with your Android setup. But you can refer this link for your project. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If so, then please like this video, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Please keep clean and green our environment also. Thank you guys. Bye.